Here is a law for you. You are worried, you are afraid, you are uncertain only when you are unwilling to know. You, the spirit, is the thing that knows. And when you are unwilling to know, the end result is you are stuck in the past. You are worried, you are uncertain, etc. Now, in order for you to improve, you will have to figure out how to undo this unwillingness, how to become willing. To learn it, on Friday, I'm going to do a seminar that will change your life. It will restore your willingness to know. And when you know, you can predict the future. And when you know, you cannot lose. It is just unbelievable that when you know, you will continue on a given course. When you know, you'll see that you will be persistent. And the magic is that I don't think that there was a man that was born that failed while he was persistent. So for as long as you are persistent, you cannot fail. And to be persistent, you need to be willing to know, just willing to know. Join the seminar, change your life, guaranteed.